right over here. Let's just get someone's left. Ooh, let's get Peps. Yeah. Let's see, let's get this. And you got that.
I think I won.
Yeah, you won, and that's it for this little random Walmart vending machine video that I just did another take of. Yeah, we're in the dark. Let's just get to the car. And because alright, let's just get this open. Actually, I can't open this up. Oh, yeah, it's right that way. Yeah. This may not be the best video, because this camera doesn't do good low lighting. Here's that car, and I'm just gonna get in there and yeah, like I'm not get that. Yeah, I think I need. Let's just get out of here. Alright, let me. Alright.